peace in Africa is shattered, and Rick has sworn to wipe out the senseless killings by ruthless poachers.
Bringing the white man to do your dirty work.
If I had a Kenyan who was a Green Beret in Vietnam, you'd be out of a job. What do you need?
Truck and a rifle.
His sense of justice is confused by blind hatred for his father and obsession for his father's lover, the woman who used to be his wife.
I loved her as well as I could.
You broke her heart.
When a marriage breaks, only two people know the reasons. They don't always know.
You have no business being here.
Let me tell you something. Nobody, and I mean nobody, has ever loved me like your father does.
And you? Do you love him?
Rick, leave me alone. Get out of here. Oh, go away, Rick. Leave me alone. Will you move your foot? Rick, move your foot!
Rick is pulled into a bloody ring of black market hunting and incestuous jealousy, a vicious chain that can only be broken by justice. But someone wants to stop him.
These guys know I'm after them, and they're fast. You'll have to lend it to me.
Like hell I do. I don't work for the government.
Maybe you'd like to come along for the ride.
Get my head blown off?
Small!
Starring Charlton Heston as Lee Cahill, John Savage as Rick Cahill, Maude Adams as Anne Malone, and John Rhys Davis as Simon. In the Nairobi Affair, you can experience the true heart of Africa.
Man lives in a sunlit world of what he believes to be reality. But beneath the surface lies an underworld, unseen by most, a place that is just as real, but where nothing is quite as it seems. This is the dark side.
I said I'd give you $1 million for all the rights to your eternal soul.
I've come to fulfill the contract. I've brought you my soul.
Theirs is a netherworld, where the familiar rules no longer apply.
Double or nothing on your life. You should never underestimate the powers of the human will.
Nobody's gonna say I'm dead when I ain't.
Rest in peace, that's what you should be doing.
I told you I ain't dead so many times, I'm blue in the face.
Now that's the truth.
We must accept the power of the cards.
These cards have a power, Pat. It's like they're alive. What is it? What do you want from me?
It can't possibly work.
I wouldn't bet on that till you try it.
Now, Embassy Home Entertainment presents a glimpse into the secrets of the dark side. Spine-chilling tales of terror by the acknowledged masters of suspense like Stephen King.
Didn't murder him! I deleted him!
All we have to do is murder your wife.
Mom?
I don't understand. Who are you?
Please don't do this to me, Mother.
Hi, Dad. I came to get you. Surprised?
I think you've got me mixed up with somebody else, kid.
Do you mean to say that you don't know your own son?
I don't have a son named Jerry.
Look on a tree.
There's something living in that closet, Dr. Fenner.
If you have ventured into the Twilight Zone and survived the creep show, then you may just be ready for Tales from the Dark Side.